Hi, how are you keeping up?
I'm keeping well. Thanks. What about you?
I'm keeping well. What's your name?
I'm Tom Hugo. And you?
I'm Emma Williams. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And you?
I'm from here, Australia. What are you doing here in Sydney?
I'm here as a tourist. And you?
That's great. I work here. I'm an English teacher.
Good. How long have you been working as a teacher?
I've been working for 2 years now.
Okay.
Do you like it here?
Yes. I am very excited to be here.
How long have you been here?
1 week. Tell me more about Sydney.
Well, it's a vibrant city, very diverse and beautiful.
I can see that. It's beautiful.
Yes.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 30 years old. And you?
I'm 25. Are you married?
Yes, I am. And you?
Not yet. I'm single right now.
Are you planning on getting married anytime soon?
Yes. I will do that in my 30s. Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children. What about you?
I don't have any children. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 brother. And you?
I have one sister. Her name is Rebecca. What's your brother's name?
My brother's name is Harry.
Okay.
How many countries have you visited so far?
I have visited 10 countries so far. And you?
I've never traveled outside Australia. This may change in the future.
I encourage you to travel. It changes your perception of the world.
Oh, really?
Yes. I went to Asia, and I was impressed by the beauty of the countries I visited.
Which countries impressed you the most?
Sri Lanka, India, and China.
Are you planning more travels to Asia?
Yes. I want to visit more Asian countries too.
Is this your first time coming in Australia?
Yes, it's my first time.
I'm sure you will love this place.
Sure, I will.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Enjoy the rest of your day.